Brew better coffee with this portable electric coffee bean grinder. Enjoy fresh coffee anytime with this portable electric coffee bean grinder powered by an 1800 mAh rechargeable battery. It's completely cordless and perfect for home or travel. Choose from 40 adjustable grind levels, from fine espresso to coarse French press. The powerful motor delivers uniform grinding, helping you extract rich flavor and aroma. Compact, lightweight, and easy to use with one-button control and low noise. Ideal for coffee, beans, spices, and everyday kitchen use. Fresh grind. Better taste anytime, anywhere.
Link in bio to shop globally with Buy 3 All.